Hello again, welcome to CNC courses. In that lecture we're gonna try to create that product. Let's start with actually that home position. I'm gonna hit the point position and then I just need to write X. X is equal 10 and Y equal 120 and hit the enter button, and then this is gonna be my home position. Okay, and let's start with that line. Okay, I'm gonna start with here. So I'm gonna hit the line endpoints and vertical line. I'm gonna start from origin and to reach here, and then this is gonna be my length and this is gonna be my position. Okay, and then let's create 20 millimeters and horizontal line like this one. This can be 20 millimeter, and then I'm gonna keep going with that line. This is the 70 millimeters diameter, position minus 40. I'm gonna hit the vertical line, start from here to here, and then this is gonna be my half of my diameter, and then this is gonna be my position. Okay, and then we can turn to the freeform. We just need to use that point and that point. After that, let's create that line. Okay, this is minus 20 with diameter 40. Okay, I'm gonna turn to vertical, start from here to here, and then it's gonna be 20 and minus 20 as well, this one. Okay, and then as a final I just need to create this one. To create this one, I'm gonna turn to horizontal, start from origin to reach here, actually by using the 10 millimeter and y-axis position, and that's it. Let's turn to the freeform, and then actually let me create this one. I can start from here at that point, and that's it. After that we can turn to the divide options and delete this one, and this one. Okay, this is our actually figure, and then I can hit the fillet options, and this is the 10 millimeter radius, and another 10 millimeter radius is here. As a final, we just need to create some chamfer here. This chamfer, of course, before the chamfer we need to create another line here, and then we can create our chamfer with 3 millimeter, and that's it. This is my geometry. We can save our file. I think everything seems fine right now. Okay, let's turn to Mastercam, machine, lathe machine, and default machine. And then actually I can turn to here and stock setup, and then I can use actually no geometry selection or cylinder options. I'm gonna hit the cylinder options and the make from 2-point options. It's already created like this. Okay, that's fine. Let's create extra options here, maybe our and chuck on that position. I can organize my chuck here. This is the chuck position actually. We can turn to parameters options instead of using the geometry, and then we're gonna use the outside diameter, and then actually we can use Z position, clicking here, and maybe that midpoint for enough for our chuck position. Okay, it is located automatically. And then let's turn here and modify length options, and we can extend our line like this. And then actually maybe we should also turn to the stock parameters, and then before that maybe we can also use the wireframe line. We can turn to the horizontal line to extend here, and then turn to the stock setup and properties, and we can use the make from 2-point options and start from here to here to organize it. Okay, everything seems fine. Let's use the right mouse button, Lathe Toolpath, and then we're gonna use actually a quick roughing and quick finishing process. I'm gonna click the quick, and the roughing process can start from here to here, and then we can use this feed rate and constant spindle speed with 2000, and then quick rough parameters 1. This is the stock to leave on the x-axis and z-axis, and start our program. So we're gonna see actually that's kind of solution. Okay, let me click here and quick and finish process. We can use that tool. I'm gonna double click on it, and then I can change my corner radius. Oops, sorry. This is my feed rate and constant cutting speed with actually 200. And then we can click here. This operation can be selected as a finish toolpath, and then we can calculate our finishing process. That's fine. Okay. This is actually quick roughing and quick finishing process.